This is a 2007 Ford Edge. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, heated seats, cruise control, 4 well-positioned speakers, leather seats, 17-inch wheels, a rear spoiler, a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 74,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Crest Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 26333 Van Dyke in Centerline.